अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आल टेस्टिंग मास्टर के चैनल में खुश आमदीद है आपका। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो सोशल वेलफेयर स्पेशल एजुकेशन एंड ह्यूमन राइट्स डिपार्टमेंट बलूचिस्तान में होने वाले सोशल वर्कर का कंप्लीट पेपर हल करने जा रहे हैं, जो कि 23 फरवरी 2021 को हुआ है। दोस्तों, चलते हैं अपने वीडियो की तरफ। What is the total length of Pak-Afghan border? दो हज़ार 252 किलोमीटर, 2252 km. Injil was revealed on Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Pakistan has how many seasons? 4 seasons. K2 is also known as Goodwin Austen. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived in Makkah for fill in the blanks years. 53 years. Current Minister of Railways, Azam Sawati. Current Minister of Education in Balochistan, Sardar Yar Mohammad Rind. Question number 8 है, Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan. Beirut is the capital of Lebanon. The currency of Sri Lanka is rupee. The currency of Yemen is Riyal. When was Qibla changed? Second Hijri. When Hajj was made compulsory? Ninth Hijri. Name of the fourth kalima? Tawheed. What is the meaning of wazu? Ablution. District Musa Khail is located in Division Job. National fruit of Pakistan is mango. Tirana is the capital of Albania. What is the Arafat? Arafat is a mountain. They walked fill in the blanks the bridge. Over the bridge. The results were fill in the blanks average. Above. What is up, fill in the blanks, them? With. He arrived, fill in the blanks, the station. 8. He is tired, fill in the blanks, their complaints. Of. It was kind, fill in the blanks, you to help. Of. What is the square of 11? 144. Solve 10,001 minus 1 equal to 9,991. 03 is what number? Odd. 03 is odd. The largest museum of Pakistan is National Museum of Karachi. The body temperature of a normal man is 96.6 Fahrenheit. The largest continent is Asia. Charge on the electron is negative. Meteorology is the study of weather. Ecology is the study of environment. Qaid-e-Azam 14 point was presented in 1929. Lahore Resolution was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in October 1817. Who is the current Speaker of Punjab Assembly? Parvez Ilahi. The Arab conquest of Sindh took place in 712 AD by Muhammad bin Qasim. The current Minister of Industries Balochistan, Zahoor Buledi. Who wrote the national anthem of Pakistan? Abdul Hafiz Jalindri. Lemon is good source of vitamin C. The formula of salt is NaCl. Symbol of potassium is K. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. नादरा स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल एंड डेटाबेस रजिस्ट्रेशन अथॉरिटी। ISPR stand for Inter Services Public Relation। PDMA stand for Provincial Disaster Management। WWW stand for World Wide Web। Name of the province which has longest coastline? बलोचिस्तान। थैंक्स दोस्तों, मज़ीद वीडियोस हासिल करने के लिए हमारे पेज लाइक करें।